The shotgun, a firearm often celebrated for its raw power and versatility, occupies a unique position in the world of weaponry. It's a tool that has served countless roles throughout history, from putting food on the table to protecting hearth and home. In this segment, we're going to explore 10 shotguns that exemplify a crucial aspect of the modern firearms landscape: affordability combined with reliability. These aren't just inexpensive options, they are workhorses, each carefully selected for their combination of budget friendliness and functional performance, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune to acquire a dependable firearm. Let's delve into the specifics of each shotgun, examining what makes them stand out in the realm of budget-conscious shooting. First, we begin with the Mossberg Maverick 88, a pump-action shotgun that has earned a reputation as a dependable, no-frills firearm. This shotgun, often cited as the working man's option, is an exercise in functional design, sacrificing unnecessary embellishments for rugged practicality. It shares a lineage with the highly respected Mossberg 500, inheriting its core design principles, which are geared toward reliability and ease of use. The Maverick 88, typically chambered in 12 gauge, is often considered an entry-level option, making it accessible to first-time shotgun owners. Its simplistic nature makes maintenance straightforward, while its sturdy construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of frequent use. The Maverick features a crossbolt safety positioned at the front of the trigger guard, which some prefer for its easy accessibility. The synthetic stock and forearm are durable, making it suitable for various environments. Whether you're using it for home defense, hunting small game, or simply enjoying a day at the range, the Mossberg Maverick 88 proves that you can obtain a robust and reliable shotgun without breaking the bank. Its versatility and economic cost make it a popular choice for a wide array of shooters. Next, we turn our attention to a true classic, the Remington 870 Express. This pump-action shotgun is an American icon, with a lineage that spans decades. The 870 Express represents a combination of the traditional and the practical, offering shooters a balance of quality and affordability. The 870 boasts a solid steel receiver, which contributes to its reputation for durability. It operates with a smooth, reliable action that makes it a favorite among experienced and new shooters. The Remington 870 Express is chambered in several gauges, most commonly in 12 gauge, and is available in various configurations, which range from short-barreled home defense models to longer-barreled hunting variants. It has been used by law enforcement, hunters, and sports shooters for many years. The Remington 870 Express is widely praised for its modularity, allowing owners to customize their shotguns with a vast array of aftermarket stocks, barrels, and accessories. The 870 Express is a dependable and versatile firearm. Moving along, we come to the Stoeger P3000, a pump-action shotgun that emphasizes value without sacrificing performance. Stoeger, a subsidiary of Beretta, is known for producing reliable firearms that don't break the bank. The P3000 reflects this design philosophy, offering a shotgun that is both functional and economically priced. This model is designed with a robust steel receiver and a durable synthetic stock. The Stoeger P3000 has a smooth action and a reputation for reliability. It is typically chambered in 12 gauge and is most often used by beginners looking for an affordable option. The P3000 is a solid option that provides all the essential features of a dependable pump-action shotgun. Its straightforward design makes it user-friendly and allows for easy maintenance, making it another excellent choice for those seeking an affordable and effective firearm. The Weatherby PA-08 is our next pick, blending Weatherby's renowned craftsmanship with an affordable price point. Weatherby is known for producing high-quality firearms, often geared toward hunting, and the PA-08 provides a way for budget-conscious shooters to access this quality. The PA-08 is a pump-action shotgun that uses a rotary bolt design. It is known for its strength, reliability, and smooth action. Available in a variety of gauges and barrel lengths, the PA-08 can be adapted for various applications, from hunting to recreational shooting. It has proven to be a reliable and well-built gun. The Weatherby PA-08 provides a valuable option for those who want to experience Weatherby's level of quality without exceeding their budget. Now we explore a semi-automatic option, the TriStar Raptor. This shotgun offers a step up from pump-action models by providing a more rapid rate of fire. The semi-automatic action of the TriStar Raptor reduces felt recoil and speeds up the follow-up shots, making it more comfortable and convenient to operate. It's a popular choice for those who find a semi-automatic shotgun preferable. The Raptor is generally offered in 12 gauge and often features a synthetic stock. This shotgun provides good value for the money while still being dependable. For those looking for an affordable semi-automatic shotgun, the TriStar Raptor is a strong option. It balances speed and function with a price point that makes it attainable for many. Our journey continues with the Stevens 320, a pump-action shotgun manufactured by Savage Arms, which is another well-known name in the firearms industry. The Stevens 320 offers a robust build and dependable performance, incorporating features typically found in higher-priced shotguns. This model features a rotary bolt design and dual slide bars, which contribute to its smooth action and reliable operation. The Stevens 320 is often available in a variety of configurations, making it versatile for different needs. The Stevens 320 also provides an affordable shotgun that is suitable for a variety of uses. It is praised for its value. It's a solid option for anyone in the market for an affordable and reliable shotgun. Next on our list, we look at the H&R Partner Pump, a shotgun that is all about simplicity and durability. The Partner Pump is known for its no-frills, rugged design and its ability to withstand hard use. The H&R Partner Pump is a pump-action shotgun with a basic design and durable construction. This model offers a steel receiver and a synthetic stock, making it capable of handling heavy use. Its reputation for dependability makes it a smart option for those wanting a low-cost, reliable shotgun for various uses. Whether used for hunting, home defense, or recreational shooting, the H&R Partner Pump is known to be a practical and durable option that offers considerable value for the price. Now let's take a look at the Escort M87, which is manufactured by Hatton, a firm that is well known for producing firearms that are reasonably priced. This shotgun with a pump action was constructed with an emphasis on both its functionality and its value. With its reputation for being able to handle the wide variety of shotgun shells, the Escort M87 is built with a build that is both long-lasting and reliable. The fact that it is typically offered in a 12 gauge configuration and that it comes with a selection of barrel lengths and stock configurations contributes to its versatility. The Escort M87 is a good choice that offers a lot of value for the price, making it an excellent choice for individuals who are looking for a pump-action shotgun that is both affordable and dependable. One of the shotguns that is intended specifically for the aim of providing personal security is the CZ612 Home Defense. It is a pump-action shotgun that was manufactured by CZ USA, a company that is well known for making firearms that are dependable and of excellent quality. The barrel of the CZ612 Home Defense type is shorter, which makes it easier to maneuver than other models when used inside. It is frequently utilized by individuals who are looking for a shotgun that is dependable for the goal of protecting their residences. As a result of its excellent value for the price, it is an excellent choice for individuals who are looking for a dedicated home defense shotgun but do not wish to go over their financial limit. In conclusion, we have arrived at the Benelli Nova, which is a bit more expensive than the other items on this list, yet it is included because it gives an amazing level of quality and performance at a price point that is still deemed to be accessible for the premium features that it offers. Benelli is well known for manufacturing shotguns of superior quality, and the Nova is not an exception to this rule. Because it is constructed with a sturdy polymer shell and a steel receiver, the Benelli Nova is extremely long-lasting and resistant to corrosion. Because of its adaptability, the Nova is well known. Hunting enthusiasts, sport shooters, and people who are looking for a quality shotgun all gravitate toward this model. Despite the fact that it is more expensive than the other models that have been reviewed, the Benelli Nova provides a level of quality and performance that ought to be taken into consideration by individuals who are willing to spend a little bit more money on their shotgun. The 10 shotguns presented here offer a wide variety of choices for individuals who are looking for a firearm that is both inexpensive and dependable. There is a wide range of shotguns available on the market, ranging from the rugged simplicity of the Mossberg Maverick 88 to the superb excellence of the Benelli Nova. These shotguns demonstrate that it is not necessary to spend a lot of money in order to buy a shotgun that is reliable. Each of these models comes with its own set of characteristics, making it possible to satisfy a wide range of preferences and requirements.